Maman sir, good morning. Welcome to the third spot they call Daco Island. Here we take a lunch and we stay until 2 p.m.
Dito na tayo sa Daco Island, third spot ng tour ng Siargao. Ayan. Daco Island. Ito yun. 2 hours tayo dito stay bago tayo pumunta ng fourth destination. 5 ang isla yung anin natin. Yung tour natin sa isang araw.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Ganyan magandang cottage, so malaki. Mga cottage sila dito sa Daco Island. Dami, lalaki pa. Dito yung nag-o-offer ng Boodle Fight na pagkain. Mamaya kakain din tayo, parang ganoon.